Heavy snowfall overnight has paralyzed air and rail connections in the southern German state of Bavaria, leaving thousands of travelers stranded. All flights were grounded at Munich airport, a key regional and international hub, until 6 a.m., 05 hours GMT, on Sunday, the airport said. Air traffic had initially been suspended until noon, 11 GMT, on Saturday.
Backwards. It's like people skiing. Sure. Oh, he just ran into that bank.
The severe weather, which is expected to continue, also disrupted rail services in Bavaria, with the main railway station in the capital, Munich, brought to a virtual standstill. Regional and long-distance services to and from the main transport hub were temporarily suspended, including connections with the Austrian cities of Salzburg and Innsbruck. Passengers on some trains in Munich and Ulm had to spend the night on trains. Underground services, buses, and trams also initially stopped running in the Bavarian capital. There were numerous accidents on the roads in southern Bavaria, most of which police said resulted in property damage, DPA said. The German Weather Service expected heavy snowfall to continue in the south, southeast, and parts of the north of the state. Many smaller roads outside of built-up areas were heavily snow-covered or blocked by fallen trees as the removal of traffic obstructions continued.
Ja, klar.